Sunflower Model is an innovation platform. It's a way to get ideas, okay, in a systematic process that I've used to build companies. I don't feel ideation and innovation is something that is done on the toilet, and you have some epiphany, It's actually can be done in a systematic way, and we can vet ideas in a systematic way. And we teach that process systematically to the young students so that they can develop ideas based on their core competencies, what they're good at. And what they're good at amongst their group of people, what they're good at maybe including their family, okay, and friends. And once they understand how to compile what they're good at and then how to leverage what they're good at into a whole set of ideas and then how to vet those ideas to determine which one you might want to work on by walking about, if you will, talking to customers about what you think might work. It really gets an enthusiasm. It also teaches them the whole art and science of how do you start a company, also how to work with other people, because entrepreneurship is not going into a closet by yourself in general. It's working with other people to actually build a set of talents to produce something. And yes, we teach that in the Sunflower Model at an early age, to middle school and high school. The very first thing is to know thyself. You have to know what you're good at and what you're not good at. And you have to spend time really analyzing what you're good at and not good at. And then if you have a team, do that as a composite with your team. The second part is sort of know the world. You have to sort of take a look at the world and try to understand, what's there, how others view you, what opportunities may or may not exist. And the third part is sort of the execution part of the whole engine. But it all begins with really understanding your own strengths and your own weaknesses. Weaknesses you want to actually shore up. Strengths you want to leverage. You want to identify and leverage them. And I think we teach how to go about doing this in a systematic way. So how do you identify your strengths? How do you rank those strengths? How do you use the best ones? How do you ideate off of those strengths, create ideas? How do you then systematically rank those ideas so that you have a prediction, if you will, as to where your competencies will take you? And then how do you go out to customers to validate this whole process? I want to encourage everyone that it's within you to innovate and be creative. And there's a systematic way of going about it. It's not just the Steve Jobs or the Elon Musk or anybody that you admire. It's inside of each and every one of us, and it can be brought out.